I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients: 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 lime cut into 6 wedges, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 2 Oz white rum, 3 Oz soda water, and ice. Choose a 12 Oz Collins or highball glass so the proportions fit a single cocktail. Rinse mint and pat dry. Avoid bruising before muddling. Have a muddler or the back of a spoon ready. Measure spirits with a jigger. 2 Oz white rum gives balance without overpowering the mint and lime. Place 10 mint leaves and 1 lime wedge plus 1 tablespoon sugar in the glass and muddle gently to release oils and juice without shredding mint. Continue adding the remaining 5 lime wedges and press to extract more juice. Avoid overmuddling. Pour in 2 Oz white rum, stir once to dissolve sugar and integrate flavors. Add ice to fill the glass about 3/4 full, then top with 3 Oz soda water and stir gently to lift aromas. Finish by lightly slapping a mint sprig between your palms to release scent and place it on top with 1 lime wheel for garnish. Taste and adjust sweetness. Add up to 1 additional tablespoon sugar dissolved in a splash of soda or use simple syrup to avoid graininess. For variations, replace part of the soda with 25% fruit puree such as strawberry for flavor, or use club soda for crisper fizz. Serve with a straw and stir before each sip to recombine flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.